Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you guys as always for sticking around. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking specifically about XRP. The amount of requests that I've been receiving on my channel in the comments, hey Crypto ZX, we want to see XRP updates. What are your thoughts on XRP? So if you want to see more of these XRP updates, do let me know in the comments down below. I'll try my best to give you guys more regular updates if I do see, you guys are interested. But anyhow, let's take a look at what's happening with the price of XRP. So if we're looking at the broader market right now, we're seeing a little bit of a retracement within a lot of coins right now, and that is totally okay. We need to remember that the entire market has been looking absolutely amazing over the past week or so. To be quite specific, over the last 1 month, also now over the last 30 days, you're seeing a lot of coins going back into the green. XRP specifically up 21% on the monthly time frame, and on the weekly time frame, it's up 13%. But let's take a closer look and see what is happening. Before I get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the price of XRP right now, 59.14 cents, down about 1.1% over the past 24 hours in both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Both Bitcoin and USD comparative. Market cap is sitting at a staggering $33 billion, guys, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $1.2 billion. Not bad at all if you're looking at it, from the bigger picture. But let's take a closer look and see what is happening. A lot of excitement in the crypto space because Brad Garlinghouse did indicate over the past few days that he personally thinks that the SEC settlement is close, and a lot of people in the space are saying that this is going to come to an end because of the fact that now you're seeing Solana ETFs being filed for. You saw Ethereum ETF actually go live, and you also saw Bitcoin ETF. So all these coins that quote unquote at one point were considered securities now are being listed on Wall Street for it to be traded, as you see what happened with Bitcoin, and Ethereum ETF also has been approved. So obviously massive amounts of speculations going on, especially after Brad Garlinghouse has come out and said, hey, you know what, he thinks that we're getting closer and closer for this long, extremely long, lawsuit. Like, it's just been insanely frustrating, tiring for the holders. But the community deserves it. The people that actually deserve this, win is going to be the people that actually hold XRP during the times where no one wanted to touch XRP. So anyhow, Brad Garlinghouse on June 28th, posted this. Kind of want to talk about this because, of course, this right here is kind of giving a hint. Of course, he has said something after as well, but what he says to CoinDesk is, this is embarrassing. The CA judge did not call XRP a security. In fact, only XRP and BTC have clarity in the US. Very interesting. But anyhow, let's take a look at what's happening with the price, and if we're noticing a little bit of a shift in the momentum as well as the price. So if we're looking at Bitcoin dominance index right now, it's currently sitting at 55.39%, and if we're looking at BTC's price right now, it's currently sitting at $66,700 right now. So Bitcoin has been on an absolute tear lately. If you are a regular viewer on my channel, you guys know that because, of course, I give you guys regular day-to-day updates regarding this. So Bitcoin is seeing a little bit of a minor pullback right now as far as the price is concerned. So nothing too crazy or to be worried about. We need to look at the bigger picture. Of course, CME futures are closed. More manipulation over the weekends, if but overall, great stuff that we're noticing for the broader market. But let's take a look at what's happening with XRP, because obviously this is what people are excited about. The price, the price talk, that is what people love. So I want you guys to kind of go back down memory lane real quick. So if you're looking at the cycle, not the last cycle, the one before that, the 2018 top and all-time high for XRP was at $3.38. And again, some exchanges could be lower, some exchanges could be high, so let's just put it at $3.25. Let's just keep that as the all-time high. And of course, we saw extensive pullbacks and then we saw a mini halfway retest back in April of 2021, last bull cycle, where you saw the price of XRP almost reach $2, and yeah, then we saw the bear market once again. But this time around, you're starting to hear a lot of more positive things rather than negative things about XRP. There seems to be, more favorable outcomes for XRP rather than, the other party, of course. But what you're noticing right now here is with the price of XRP, it has pretty much been dancing back and forth, between this range and of course below the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And if you want to take a closer look right here, you can see this for yourself. You are seeing the price bouncing back and forth pretty much below the 78.6. We saw that massive, push towards the upside back in July, where the price of XRP went actually up to 94.28 cents. And around this time, there was a lot of uncertainty within the markets. And what does this tell you? I told you guys this before as well. Around this time, this shows you, moves like this show you how fast things can turn around in this market. Literally in a snap of a finger, things can turn around within this market. And you could see this for yourself. We saw a retest in the 78.6 back in November. We saw a second retest back in March 2024. And right now, what you're noticing for the price of XRP is doing is that it's sitting back above a key resistance, which is at 58 cents. So I'll definitely give this a huge plus point. The fact that the price of XRP is actually sitting above this key resistance. Last time we were above here was back on April. You've heard that correct, guys. Last time the price of XRP was sitting above this key resistance was back in April. So what is this showing us? This is showing us that there is momentum on XRP's side right now, and we could potentially see XRP pushing into the 78.6 and touching a yearly high. That is the most exciting thing that I want you guys to be realizing right now, because look at it from this point of view. In order for XRP to hit a new yearly high, it's only a move of about 27.57%, and this is looking more likely than actually not coming to life. I think this is going to come to life very soon, especially if we're able to stay above this key resistance. We saw the price wick all the way up to 65 cents, and obviously seeing a little bit of a minor pullback. But the most important thing that I want you guys to note right now is the fact that the price of XRP is sitting above this key resistance mark, and you can clearly see this over the hourly time frame. So if you picked up the bloodbath during the July 5th lows pretty much across the market, guess what? You are up quite a bit. If you want to put that into perspective, you are up right now by 57.37%. So let me know in the comments down below if you actually ended up picking up XRP, because let me tell you something. Around the time of the yearly high, which was just back in March, a lot of people were hesitant, and a lot of people were also kind of giving themselves a hard time for not picking up XRP at the lows of the bear market. But the opportunity once again came. So tell me if you took advantage of it. But right now, guys, XRP is looking really, really good. Obviously, a lot of speculation. Obviously, the statement Brad Gerlinghouse has made has really, brought in a lot of attention. But it's looking like XRP could touch a new yearly high. And obviously at the same time now there's speculation going on that, these massive institutions probably are going to bring an XRP ETF. And, speaking about an ETF, it's not something too unrealistic to think of. XRP is well known. It's one of the most well-known currencies when it comes to cryptocurrency, coins. If you go ask, a random Joe, even if they talk about crypto, they'll talk about XRP. So it is known quite a bit, in the world, and more than Solana as well, believe it or not, even though I'm a Solana bull, but XRP is actually being talked about a lot. And if this entire situation around XRP clears and we hear an ETF announcement, things can start going crazy for XRP, in my opinion. I think an all-time high is not an unrealistic thing to be thinking about. Of course, as I've said to you guys before, a lot of money is still on the sidelines on XRP. I personally think the valuation on XRP could have been much higher if it was clear in terms of, a lot of developments and a lot of news around XRP. But there's still a lot of money on the sideline, waiting for everything to be cleared. And if that happens, I do believe XRP is going to show a lot of crazy moves that we haven't pretty much seen since since 2017, late 2017, obviously going into the peak. But let me know down below what you guys think. I'm loving what I'm seeing right now. The price is holding above the key resistance, loving that. But let me know in the comments what you personally think. But yeah, it's really nice talking about XRP. It has a very special place in my heart. If you're an OG, this is one of the first coins that I got into back in 2016 when I entered the crypto space. So I love XRP. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. And stay safe out there. Lock in those profits when you see them. Cannot stress this enough. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.